This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by using an admin account so changes apply system-wide. Make sure critical files are backed up before altering security. Open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then tap Windows Security. This opens the central dashboard where Windows Defender, Firewall, and App Permissions live. Once done, pause to note any custom rules you want to restore later, because the reset will remove them. This prevents accidental loss. Now click the main app and prepare to navigate to each protection area in sequence. You'll reset protections one area at a time so you can verify behavior after each change. In Virus and Threat Protection, choose Manage Settings and use the Reset options or toggle real-time protection off then on. This refreshes definitions and service state. Next, go to Firewall and Network Protection and restore defaults for each profile to clear custom rules. Then check App and Browser Control to reset reputation-based protections and reassess controlled folder access. Make sure you finish by restarting the PC to ensure all services restart cleanly. Then open Windows Security and confirm every module shows protected or active. If a driver or security app behaves poorly, reinstall that component and recheck settings. If something still fails, run System File Checker and DISM. Open an elevated PowerShell and run sfc/scano, then DISM Restore Health. These repair corrupted system files that block security services. If needed, revert to your backup copy of custom policies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.